I have been quietly running an experiment for months, and it has completely changed how I publish content. What used to take me half a day to edit now only takes a few minutes. I still handle the creative vision, but the heavy lifting is handled by a tool called Vizard. From turning hour-long interviews into a week of viral clips, it is a productivity cheat code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we decode the systems behind successful content. Today, I want to pull back the curtain on how I turn long-form gold into short-form content. We are also going to look at how I integrate tools like voice cloning and advanced transcription when I need them. Your time is the most scarce resource you have, so I'm going to show you 5 specific ways to save it. First, we will cover how to transform one long video into dozens of ready-to-post clips in under an hour. Second, I will show you how to set up automated scheduling so content publishes without you needing to babysit it. Third, we will discuss how to manage your entire posting calendar in one place so nothing slips through the cracks. Fourth, I will share how I repurpose video episodes into audio-first formats for blogs or podcasts. And fifth, a simple workflow for creating short, story-driven clips specifically for Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Now, a quick heads up, you will hear me mention a few other tools like Descript, Kapwing, and Fish.audio. I only bring these up to show how I stitch together the perfect stack depending on the specific job. Think of Vizard as the hub that handles the heavy lifting of finding moments, formatting, and scheduling. Other tools fill niche gaps, like using Fish.audio for voice cloning or Descript for deep transcript editing. I will be blunt about where those tools fall short so you can pick the right combination for your needs. Okay, let's jump right into the core trick, auto-editing viral clips. You upload your raw footage, whether it is an interview, a webinar, or a podcast recording. Vizard's AI analyzes the video for engagement signals like vocal peaks, punchlines, and topic changes. Then, it proposes a stack of clip candidates, ranked by their predicted virality score. I usually get between 15 to 40 clips from a single 1-hour episode, which is incredible. The step-by-step process is simple. You create a project, drop your link, and let the AI run. While it is processing, I head to the Suggestions tab to watch the top picks. Every clip comes with a suggested start and end time, a rough caption, and a thumbnail idea. From there, it is just drag and drop to accept or tweak the trim by a second or two. You can pick your thumbnail frame and decide the format for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. The beauty of this is that you are not manually scrolling a timeline for hours looking for a hook. Vizard finds the moments that humans would actually click on and gives you a perfect first draft. You still control the tone and select the moments, but 70 to 90% of the grunt work is gone. Now, compare that to competitors. Descript is great for transcripts, but you have to clip manually. Kapwing is easy for quick edits, but it lacks the same viral moment detector or the full publishing pipeline. Fish.audio is incredible for voice cloning, but it won't magically pick your best highlights for you. So, think of these tools as complementary parts of a larger content engine. Next is auto-scheduling, which is the secret to moving from occasional posting to a content engine. Instead of exporting a folder and manually uploading to 5 platforms, you just tell Vizard your schedule. It handles the distribution and timing according to the best practice windows for each platform. Want 3 clips per week on TikTok and 1 on Instagram? Just set it and forget it. I pick a posting frequency that I can actually sustain long-term because consistency is key. The scheduling UI lets you see upcoming posts as a feed and edit captions on the fly. The AI also suggests captions and hashtag sets, which is a massive time saver for busy creators. Why does this beat manual posting? It removes the friction so you can focus on quality control. Feature number 3 is the content calendar, where messy files become a real system. In Vizard, your calendar shows every clip, its publishing date, and even performance metrics once live. You can rearrange posts with drag and drop or add notes for your collaborators to see. I love that I can see a whole month at a glance, so I know exactly where my interview clips land. Now let's talk about repurposing for audio, which is a subtle but very effective trick. I run a blog and often want an audio version of my long-form written posts. I record a video episode that matches the post and let Vizard chop it into a clean audio edit. Then I use a tool like Fish.audio if I need any voiceover tweaks or smooth transitions. The end result is a podcast-ready file and a set of short audiograms for my social media. For example, I had a written piece about tech acquisitions and recorded a deep dive video. Vizard pulled the best sections and I exported a neat 20-minute audio file. I added a branded intro and outro, and suddenly readers had a new way to consume my content. Little things like that really increase engagement and time spent on your page. Let's cover the fun part: short story and narrative clips for social media. If you want a 60-second story clip, Vizard's AI can find the narrative arc, setup, and payoff. It suggests where to cut to preserve the story tension perfectly. I pair this with a chosen voice from Fish.audio for dramatic effect, then overlay stock visuals. The result is a shareable mini-story that feels cinematic without a big production budget. Here are a few practical tips. Always review AI-generated captions, as they can have minor errors. Also, you can nudge the clip speed by 1.05x to add a bit of energy for faster platforms. Keep your raw files organized with a consistent naming pattern so you can find sources easily. Regarding pricing and trade-offs, yes, some platforms are cheaper, but they lack this end-to-end workflow. Vizard sits in the middle because it scales and saves you from stitching together disparate tools. Does this remove the editor? No. Good editors still add the final creative polish, but it turns an editor's job into a high-value creative task rather than a scavenger hunt. For solo creators, this makes pro-level volume achievable without burning out. If you want to replicate my workflow, here is a compact checklist you can follow right now. Upload your long-form video to Vizard. Let the AI analyze it and review the candidates. Trim the clips, choose your aspect ratios, add captions, and schedule your posts. Finally, use Fish.audio for voice cloning or Descript for transcript accuracy if needed. To wrap up, if you want a stream of short posts without drowning in editing time, this is the solution. It is not a magic wand, but it arms you with a system so good ideas get more chances to hit. If you want me to walk through a full week's content build live, say so in the comments. I will show you the exact buttons I press and the strategy behind which clips I pick. Alright, that is the system. Hit subscribe, share this with a friend, and I will see you in the next one.